Hi everyone, my name is Miss Alex and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami cat. So for this one we're going to need 2 square pieces of paper. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the cat's head. So you are going to want to fold it diagonally in half like this. Okay, then after that fold each one up, each side up. Like this, and you're going to want to have the flaps on the bottom. Okay, so we are going to fold these flaps up to make the ears. You can make them as big or as small as you want depending on where you fold them. If you want a bigger ear, you would fold it higher. If you want a smaller ear, you would fold it farther down. I'm going to fold mine right about there. That's where it would look. And make sure you do it as evenly on each side as you can. So each one is folded up. Right. Turn it over. And then you're going to want to fold this down just a little bit. Like so. Right. Then if you want, you don't have to, you can fold these corners in as well on the side of the face. There you go. Then you are going to take one flap from the bottom and fold it up to just about the middle. Right. And then fold this back one back. So this is what it will look like on the back and on the front. Then just fold this top part down. And that is the cat's mouth. Right. So there is the cat's head. You can draw a little mouth if you want. And a little nose. And some eyes. Now we are going to take our second piece of paper and we're going to make the body. So we are going to fold this one diagonally as well. Like this. And then take this side and fold it over. It's going to be the cat's tail. So then you take the cat's head and use the opening at the bottom and just put it right on top of the body. So there you go. You can have it stand up with its tail. But there is your origami cat. Pretty easy. Right? I hope you enjoyed learning how to make the origami cat. And once again, thank you for watching.